Did you know one explosive outburst from a rock star got an entire band banned from multiple cities? On November 8th, 1987, U2 was performing in Denver when news broke that IRA terrorists had bombed a Remembrance Day ceremony in Enniskillen. 11 innocent civilians were dead. Bono stopped mid-song during Sunday Bloody Sunday and unleashed a furious rant at the Irish-American crowd. He screamed explicit condemnations at IRA sympathizers, shouting the revolution could go to hell. The audience erupted in chaos. Death threats flooded in immediately. Concert venues in Boston, New York, and Chicago with large Irish populations banned U2 outright. For months afterward, security had to smuggle the band out through back exits and secret routes. Bono's political neutrality was shattered forever in that single moment. One unfiltered outburst of rage transformed U2 from careful observers into targets. The price of speaking truth was exile from their own fanbase.